Ransomware attacks like LockBit 3.0 can have devastating consequences for businesses worldwide. Let's dive into what you need to know to protect yourself. LockBit 3.0 is a ransomware that encrypts your files, making them inaccessible until you pay a ransom. It's known for its advanced encryption methods and ability to spread quickly across networks, posing a serious threat to organizations of all sizes. Recently, LockBit 3.0 targeted critical government services in Indonesia, causing widespread disruption. Entire systems were paralyzed, services halted, and operations forced to revert to manual processes. The financial and operational impact was immense. Here are a few preventive measures that can shield you from such ransomware attacks. Implement antivirus and anti-malware software to scan, detect, and respond to cyber threats. Segment your network to isolate ransomware and prevent it from spreading to other systems. Utilize application whitelisting to isolate malware and prevent it from spreading to other systems. Prioritize endpoint security by deploying EPP and EDR solutions to monitor and enhance security measures. We've got tons of info on how Critical can help you protect your digital assets in our recent blog. Read now about the incident. Let's be secure for sure.